Some campgrounds are like $140 to camp. Yeah, and so when I was getting back in the van, I walked around and noticed an issue.
He's a happy man.
Barbie's barbecue.
Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
So we were kind of headed north today from Phoenix, and we went and saw the what was it, a cave or a tunnel, or I don't know, some park with a big hole in the rock you could walk through and walk over. Bridge, natural bridge, that's what it was. And we headed north some more. We thought maybe we'd go to Sedona. Looking at camping in Sedona, there really wasn't much, and there was some campgrounds that were like $140 to camp. Yeah, and so we decided Sedona's probably not the place to go for us right now anyway. Maybe take a run through there tomorrow. We're not that far away. But then we stopped in Camp Verde, looked around, looked like a cool little town, and we looked on iOverlander, and there was a spot not too far out of town. There's Montezuma Well. There was a spot on iOverlander just a little bit past that, so we took the road up to Montezuma Well. After the well road turned off, it turned into a gravel road. And a mile or so up the gravel road there's this little pull off from the gravel road that has a bunch of spots. It's gonna be a nice quiet spot for the night, looks like. So we did the short drive from Camp Verde to Cottonwood this morning. We needed to pick up some more pellets for the pellet grill and a couple things at the grocery store. So I stopped at Home Depot to grab some pellets, and when I was getting back in the van, I walked around and noticed an issue. So I actually bought a air compressor previously and a plug kit. So we'll give it a shot and see if we can plug her up right here in the Home Depot parking lot. Go. That should do it. There's the culprit. Well, we'll get her pumped up to full pressure again and see if she's gonna hold. PSI. Well, we're past 80 PSI now. That should do it. Seems like the plug's holding for now, so we'll do some more driving on it, and I'll maybe check it again tonight, make sure it's good. I'm sure I could have found a tire shop around here, but I got her right before it lost any air. It was only down 20 pounds. And hopefully that does the trick.
repairing our tire and picking up the supplies we needed, we did a short drive to Clarksdale, unloaded our bikes, and set our sights on Jerome, Arizona, which is perched on the side of Cleopatra Hill, overlooking the Verde Valley. Once a thriving copper town, the population of Jerome fell from 15,000 at its peak in the 1920s to just 50 people after the mines closed in 1953. Jerome became a National Historic Landmark in 1976 and now has a population of approximately 460. The town is known for its history, art community, and breathtaking scenery. And let's not forget, an amazing motorcycle route.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I've become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99. What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight all along. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go. So come what may. Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old lives. My crooked little heart that seems so rebellious is falling apart right now. I'm bleeding an easy kill, gonna leave it all behind. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, got lost along the way, fell between the fold, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may.
Arizona Route 89A ascends Mingus Mountain and will take you from Jerome to Prescott. This route is just a small section of some of the best motorcycle routes in Arizona. We rode to the crest of the mountain, which sits at an elevation of approximately 7,000 feet, and then turned ourselves around and made our way back down the mountain to Jerome and an early dinner at Bobby D's Barbecue. We are in Jerome.
Jerome, Arizona.
Yeah. We just went for a ride up towards Prescott on our motorbikes. Came back down. Wicked views. Now we're going to go to Bobby D's.
Bobby D's Barbecue, my favorite place in Jerome.
Gorgeous said that normally he has a hard time finding something on a menu that excites him. Everything on this menu excites him. He's a happy man.
Bobby D's Barbecue.
Oh, Gord was here. With our bellies full and a bit of sightseeing complete, we got back on our bikes and rode back to where we had parked the Duchess and our trailer in Clarksdale. All loaded up, we made the short drive back to Cottonwood and checked into the Dead Horse Ranch State Park for a couple of nights so we could explore the area a bit more. Stay tuned for future episodes where we explore the Tuzigoot ruins and take a day trip into Sedona.
The time is now. It's now.